Okay, we are going to fetch Angel, the birthday girl. She her birthday a few days ago lah. But you know lah, we all pintos ah. Actually, I always say we're not pintos, but my wife keeps saying we're always pintos lah. Yeah, we like to just make celebrations out of everything. Okay, so now we're on the way to go and fetch her. Go turn the camera and we do a hyper time walk. Okay, now we reach Angel's house. The camera jammed just now. Angel, say hello.
Hello.
It's Angel's birthday, and now we're going to fetch Veronica. Okay, we time walk again. Okay, now we fetch Veronica. Veronica, say hello. Say hello to the camera.
So weird.
Trying to make a video blog.
Nice. Let's go eat.
Okay, now we're going
I found a place though.
We found a place.
We have arrived at the car park.
And we are very hungry.
So now because of my camera antics, everybody is hungry. Okay, so on we go to Xenri. semua ni.
Mau tidur.
Muka mau tidur.
Dan kenyang.
Muka sudah kenyang.
Yes.
So, Inga, how did you like Xenri?
Oh, I love it.
Super.
I'm gonna
Super,
come
huh?
back here again.
Very good recommendation.
Yeah.
Hidden treasure indeed.
You didn't know Oakland Road can have all this, huh?
Yes. Do you know there's a dim sum shop down the road also?
Where?
Near KD, near the
one that
sweets.
we go to with your brother.
Which one?
On the main road.
The
Near
$3
to-
one.
The one, the $3 one.
I don't know how much, I haven't been. But my friends all say they come at 2-3 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah,
Yeah lah,
the
jajan
one-
one
Everything
lah.
is
Hey, must go out here lah.
And-
No, I can't there, he said.
No, you should go.
Oh yes, there's another way.
Okay, so that's all from Xenri. Bye-bye. Wait, what you say? What you say? Next time we come again?
Next time when we come, we start with ice cream and mochi,
Turn right here again.
and then we go for the fried salmon first.
Oh, fried salmon. That's
And
that's
then-
everything I need.
Oh,
Oh,
oh, it was so good.
alright.
And
Because it's
then
fried belly salmon.
Yeah, I was enjoying it.
after that we have sashimi, and then we have sushi, and then we have sashimi again, and then we have sushi again, then we have sashimi again, then we have sushi again, and then we have sashimi again until we are full. Oh yes, in between we have chawanmushi. I forgot about that.
Until we are full, we have dessert again.
And then we have dessert again, and then when they say last call,
We go to your
we go
sashimi.
and take one whole round of everything again.